Fairly simple video. Here's what I'm going to show you. This is a 1997 Mitsubishi Mirage. I just put a door actuator motor in, and as you can see, I got a wire here, and this red wire right here. You can see it right here. All right, here we go. I'm gonna push this shut. Locked. Now we're gonna take this red wire and we're gonna see this little pin right here. We're gonna go click. I'm gonna click it onto it, and it's gonna unlock. See? Alright, but now, I didn't know this before. You got these things. When you pull your door pin off, you have to pull these out. There's one screw in this. Now, this right here, it says goes inward, which means it must go in like such. Like that. But that's wrong. The inward part does mean, in our case, see, it comes out fairly simple. You just pry it out. It goes in like this. Then you just tap it in with your hand. See? And now you can see in there, you can see the screw hole. And we'll go and put this in. See, it's going in fairly simple, but it's been out a couple times now, so it should come out fairly easy. But for me, now you have this other one for your handle right here. And this is the first video for my Mirage. This goes on like such. You pull this handle out and it slides in. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so it may take me a couple seconds. Okay, there we go. See? And you just push it in. But when you take it off, you'll see up in here, right there. See it? The hole right here. My finger just went into it. You have to take a screw out of there. Me, I prefer not to. Put it back in. And then you have this one right here. It's a Phillips with a cap. It goes right here. Just for the record, I think I'm the only person that you know of who has their mailbag sponsored. Sponsored by Twisted Tea. All right. Be a little twisted during Twisted Tea. You can write me anytime. Just text after 77,000 or you can put this in at laser993.com. It's laser with a Z. This first email is from. Alright, it's in. You don't want to over tighten. It's only a plastic thing in there. But yeah. Alright, when you put a door lock actuator in, there's a speaker here with 4 on the big one. But first off, you're gonna have to take the 4 on the small one off, because there's 4 in the small one and 4 in the one that goes into it, which means you can put a bigger speaker in the door if you wanted to. It's up to you. But this actually comes off with a little U-clip that's on here, but I lost the U-clip about 2 seconds ago. So other than that, there you go. But I line my stuff up. See, if it slides on, the window goes down. Fairly simple. See, Mirage DE
Okay, this is from George of the Jungle, who writes, "Did you read the LA Cop Killer's Manifesto?"
With originally,
I didn't
I did
intentionally.
280 already.
I didn't want to give significance.
And it has
to
129
a
or
troubled,
65.
cowardly moron.
Yeah, I took that apart because I had a wire coming through from my previous alarm system for my power. Just to test it to make sure it would work. But the other thing I'm going to show you guys is this right here. This is a kick panel for the passenger side. There it is. Kick panel for the passenger side. As you can tell, it's all scuffed up from some of the people's feet hitting it and stuff. Thank you.